Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I am just loading up, getting ready to leave Glen Flora, Wisconsin and head back to Minnesota. I've got this job about as far as I can get it, and then the rest will happen in spring. So everything I could plant got planted and mulched, sheet mulched, and got a few of the guilds done, but a lot of stuff needs to be planted in the spring still. I'm going to turn you around and take you a little walk around and show you. It looks pretty bad because it's so muddy back here, but this will all be cleaned up in the spring. But we got everything in the ground we needed. Here we go. And here's guild number one. There's going to be a couple of gummy berries in here and a lot of other stuff planted in with it. Here's an apple tree with strawberries, and there's some comfrey planted in there. We got some elderberry, and back there we have what is it? I'll think of it in a second. Yarrow. Here we got another apple tree. We got some yarrow, some lemon balm. We got some blueberries, and then there's some stuff that's gonna be planted in between all these. We got another apple tree with some strawberries, and actually that apple tree has garlic planted around it. We got 6 raspberry plants in the back. We got some lavender. Up in front we got some, I think they're daylilies, or no, anise, hyssop, and then we got some daylilies. Same here, and then there's something going in there in spring. I can't quite remember. All this is gonna be filled up in the spring. We got some plum trees here. I got shorter the plum tree on my order, so there'll be one more plum tree here. And then this guild will all be planted. And this corner here is gonna be in pumpkins and corn, or the Three Sisters is gonna be planted here in the corner. And but that's what we got. This centerpiece is gonna be changed in the spring. These guys should be okay in their pots for the winter. They're just going to be sitting outside at the nursery anyway. But anyway, that's what we got. And we got this DeerBusters.com. If you want a deer fence like this. This is an 8-foot height. And pretty simple to set up. And come back here. All this area was just like this back here. All overgrown. There we go. It's going to be a beautiful food forest. But that's it for me. Try to make it home by 3 o'clock, I hope. 3:30. Got about 2:45, maybe 3-hour drive. And then I'll be going home. Or be home. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. And we got my gate shut. And I did not put the latch on it yet, but here's the gate. I did not latch it because the ground was wet, so when I put the posts in, the concrete did not set right, and the ground is really loose, so we're gonna have to tighten those up in the spring. But that's that. Anyway, we will design and install edible landscapes, food forests at any location. Contact me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com, or visit my website, foodforestabundancemn.com, and let's get it happening. Get your design ready to go in the ground by spring. Have an amazing day, my friends. I got about a 1/4 mile walk with my wheelbarrow to get back to my truck, and then I'm heading home. Have an amazing day, my friends. See ya.